And today's find, here we have a 2000 Ford F-250 Super Duty XLT package, 7.3 liter POWERSTROKE diesel. This is a 6-speed manual. It's lifted, has custom wheels and tires. It's got updated trailer mirrors, the newer style, as you can see. The paint on this thing is almost perfect. I don't see any major scratches, dents, dings anywhere on this truck. The outside is really clean, nice. This is a rust-free California truck its whole life. It's got the updated look in the front. Nice and clean underneath. Just like all of our trucks. We hand select all of our trucks so they're all rust free. Give you a good look under here. It's got factory running boards, Ford running boards. This is a long bed. It does have a gooseneck set up in it. It has the aftermarket finned diff cover for cooling, and it probably holds a little bit more fluid in there as well, I would assume. It's got your bumper pull hitch. It's got a spray-in bed liner. The bed in this thing's darn near perfect. There's your plug. There's your gooseneck setup. Drop-in ball. Real nice. Real nice looking bed on that. Whoever had this truck took really good care of it. It is a 4x4. Go ahead and take a look inside. We might as well start here. Door panels are all in good shape, not scratched up or beat up. Dash is in pretty good shape. I did notice that whenever they were might have put a stereo in or something, there is a little crack right there, but it's not too bad. Interior is free of any rips, tears, stains. There's one little light spot right here, and then one little dark spot. I think this would probably come out, but the carpet's good. There's no cigarette burns, no holes rubbed through the carpet from people's feet. Cup holders work. Power supply over here. And it does have the 40-20-40 6-passenger seating. Center console there. Back seat, this plush cloth. And it's just as clean as the front, but it looks even cleaner. I don't even know if anybody sat back here. There's your cup holders. It's got factory carpeted floor mats all the way around. Door panel back here. And as you can see, the other side just as clean. No rips, tears, stains. There's no odors in this truck. Smells nice, looks nice. Runs nice, fires right up. got all your power options, power windows, locks, cruise, tilt wheel. It's got a nice trailer brake setup here. Prodigy, I believe. Driver's seat. No rips, tears, stains, burns. The floor. Under the carpet looks beautiful. No holes, tears. Not even stained up. Kicker panels are all nice. This truck is extremely clean. Pop the hood, show you the engine. It's got a bigger filter for better air. There's your tools for your spare tire, jack. .73. Fire this up for you guys so you can see how it sounds. As always, we have financing available with little or no down. Depends on your credit. It's credit union financing. We can get you great rates, the same rates that you're offering on newer cars, and terms as long as 84 months, obviously on approved credit. Listen to that, fires right up. No lights, obviously the e-brake's on, being as this is a manual. And shift through the gears. Reverse. Granny gear. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Overdrive. That's granny gear right there. Second, first, third, fourth, fifth. So it's a 5-speed with overdrive, basically. Ashtray, cup holders, cigarette lighter. This truck has just 136,000 miles on it. Got a couple gauges here. You got your manual shift, transfer case. Sounds good. You can hear the engine out here. This is a beast. I really like this truck. It's super nice. It sits real nice. If you like a lifted truck, this isn't lifted too much. It's just right. Still easy to get in and out of. Doesn't have a big old, huge 40-inch mud tire on there. It's got these Falcon Wild Peaks, and this is a 325, 65, 18, so that's an 18-inch method aluminum wheel. It's got a little bigger exhaust, I see, or at least the tip. If you like this truck, go ahead and like our video, subscribe to our page. See, there is a little scratch here. This is probably the worst spot on the whole truck. See that? A little bit of rock chip area right there. That's why they put those little sticky pads on there. But this is what we do. Anybody who's familiar with us knows that we like to find the nicest, cleanest 5.9 Cummins 7.3 Fords and early Duramaxes prior to 2007. And that's our thing. Pre-emission diesel trucks, no DEF, no computers, no headaches, just good old American trucks that do what you need to do when you need to do it. Feel free to call us. We don't answer any messages on our YouTube page. That's simply a tool for posting our videos. Again, can't say enough about this truck. It's got a clean title, clean Carfax history report, no signs of any damages or accidents or repaints. This truck looks like it's been very well kept. Like I said, if you have questions, give us a call. Check out our website. It's www.jordanmotorsport.com. No S. Here's our awards. We're the #1 used car dealership in Portland. People love us. We got good reviews. Check out our Google reviews. Give us a call. Like I said, we have 84-month financing available on this truck on approved credit with rates as low as new car rates. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for liking our page and subscribing to our YouTube channel.